Most of these counties are drafting child protection policies, but also trying to influence the county government budgets to see how counties can put money into interventions that help communities, especially vulnerable households that are sending their children to work early.
And worth noting, even in the context of Kenya, is that rural agricultural context still is the leading driver. These children are mostly in informal agricultural setting. One problem we have with statistics on child labor to show prevalence in the coast region, particularly the tourism industry is still a key driver of child labor, where children are particularly working in unregulated sectors. The governments, both at national and county level, are now recognizing that child labor is a scourge.
With children who are herding, and they go with cattle across the border into Tanzania and back. And a child who is herding cattle all day and all night will not be in school. So the issues are mainly that, and for Kwale it's a lot of early marriages, children who are getting married early off, and yeah, and that is actually a worst form of child labor. For Bungoma, it's our other target county, but
no aigithia hamwe na